Tenses, future perfect. 5 practice exercises. You have 5 seconds to solve it. Write in the comments below how many correct answers you got. Complete the sentence. By this time tomorrow, I complete the project. Answer. By this time tomorrow, I will have completed the project. Choose the correct form. They finish the work by next week. Answer. They will have finished the work by next week. Fill in the blank. He leave by the time you arrive. Answer. He will have left by the time you arrive. Rewrite the sentence using future perfect. She completes her studies by next year. Answer. She will have completed her studies by next year. Correct the sentence. By next month, we will finish the training. Answer. By next month, we will have finished the training. Present perfect. Complete the sentence. He finished his work already. Answer. He has finished his work already. Choose the correct form. They eat dinner. Answer. They have eaten dinner. Fill in the blank. We visit Paris twice. Answer. We have visited Paris twice. Rewrite the sentence using present perfect. I complete my project. Answer. I have completed my project. Correct the sentence. She has went to the store. Answer. She has gone to the store. Past perfect. Complete the sentence. By the time we arrived, they leave. Answer. By the time we arrived, they had left. Choose the correct form. She finished her work before I called. Answer. She had finished her work before I called. Fill in the blank. He never see the movie before last night. Answer. He had never seen the movie before last night. Rewrite the sentence using past perfect. They went out after they eat. Answer. They went out after they had eaten. Correct the sentence. I had saw the movie before. Answer. I had seen the movie before.